Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Solana name service token. Ticker symbol is SNS, and this token just went live for pre-market trading. They will be getting a very big central exchange listing soon as well. We're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage is sns.id. Now, you probably heard of ENS, Ethereum Name Service, before. They've also had other chains come out for name services. And this token here just went live for pre-market trading on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token, and or the pre-token, I should say, and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this pre-token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the pre-market trading zone, search ticker symbol SNS, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, pre-market trading is an over-the-counter service offered by MEXC Global that allows users to buy and sell new tokens before they're officially listed on the exchange. And this service lets traders set preferred prices and find matching trades, providing an opportunity to trade at favorable prices before the public launch. By participating in pre-market trading, MEXC users gain a competitive edge before the tokens are officially issued. So there is a total supply of 10 billion SNS tokens. And it says the Solana name service is a decentralized naming protocol on the Solana blockchain designed to simplify and enhance user interactions in the Web3 ecosystem. So the pre-trading is going on right now on MEXC. And then eventually the full trading will be on MEXC as well. So if you're looking to get just the actual token when it comes out, MEXC Global is also the place to be. At SNS is their Twitter, their X. I'm going to put it up in the corner of the screen right there. They have 135,300 Twitter followers. And they have a Discord there, you can see. Their webpage is linked there. They have a guide. And they also have a full link tree that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. Gold verified checkmark, 13,900 tweets. So yes, this is the decentralized naming protocol. By mapping complex blockchain addresses to human-readable names like yourname.soul, SNS aims to make blockchain technology more accessible to a broader audience. SNS has worked to become a cornerstone of Solana infrastructure, supporting digital identity, asset management, and community building. At its heart, SNS is a project powered by its .soul community. The SNS token enables that important community to shape the future of SNS, ensuring it aligns with the collective vision of its stakeholders. Now, the limitations of conventional blockchain addresses, so traditional blockchain addresses characterized by extended alphanumeric sequences, pose significant challenges to usability and accessibility. Their inherent complexity increases the likelihood of transactional errors, such as incorrect address entries, which may result in the permanent loss of assets. Furthermore, these addresses are neither easily memorized nor efficiently communicated, creating obstacles for both new and experienced users. A simpler, more intuitive system is needed to drive mass adoption of blockchain technology. So the Solana name service offers solutions to these challenges through the provision of .sol domains, which fulfill three primary functions: establishing digital identity, enabling asset ownership, and supporting network development. Each .sol domain constitutes a distinctive user-friendly identifier that simplifies blockchain interactions while delivering utility within the Solana ecosystem. They have a .sol domain, which transforms blockchain addresses into concise, recognizable names, such as yourname.sol. The identity serves as a tool across the Solana ecosystem, supporting applications such as streamlined transactions, facilitating the transfer and receipt of assets using easy-to-remember identifiers rather than long strips of text strings. Integrated authentication, enabling the use of .sol domains as credentials for accessing decentralized applications. And enduring ownership, providing perpetual ownership of domains following one-time acquisition. This approach minimizes errors, bolsters security, and promotes seamless experience for users across varying levels of technical expertise. Each .sol domain represents a singular digital asset comparable to exclusive collectibles or virtual property. The finite ability of coveted names such as coffee.sol or pet.sol establishes a market with potential value appreciation tied to the mainstream adoption and growth of the Solana ecosystem. Beyond their economic appeal, these .sol domains offer practical utility. There's decentralized hosting capabilities supporting the deployment of decentralized websites via platforms such as IPFS or Arweave, ensuring resilience against censorship. Interoperable access, enabling compatibility with Web3-enabled browsers such as Brave to provide seamless entry to decentralized content. And this combination distinguishes .sol domains as a significant element within the blockchain paradigm. So SNS allows .sol domain holders to further utilize their .sol domains by creating subdomains as well. There's community frameworks, organizational growth, physical asset management, aka DPIN, and AI agent organization. Also, perpetual ownership structure, efficiency, and cost effectiveness, and built for Solana by Solana. So go check out this token. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.